Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you the immunity boosting drink powder recipe which can be prepared instantly. So in last video I have showed you the immunity boosting drink recipe, which is like you will use all the fresh ingredients and you will prepare the tea. Now it is very instant. It is very useful to working people who will not have time to get ready with all the ingredients and prepare it quickly and have it quickly. So this will be useful for them as well. So it is very instant recipe. You can just make that powder and stock it up. So I'll show you the recipe. So let's get into the video. So here are the ingredients that I have already used in the last video. So here these are dry ingredients. So I have taken 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of jeera, 2 tablespoons of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. So this you can make it at home or you can just buy it from outside. And 1 tablespoon of cloves, 6 cardamom, and around 2 inches of cinnamon stick. So now we'll just dry roast the ingredients. To a pan, just add coriander seeds. I have taken 3 tablespoons. Just dry roast them for 3 to 4 minutes. So after 3 to 4 minutes, you'll get very good aroma of these roasted seeds. So at this point you can add all those ingredients and fry for 2 to 3 minutes once again. I'm adding peppercorns, jeera and the spices. So ginger powder you can just add at the end. Now dry roast these ingredients for around 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes you can just turn off the stove and add the ginger powder and also the turmeric powder. I have forgot to mention the turmeric powder. So now at this point you can add, just mix it well, and once you are done you can transfer this into the mixer jar and you can grind it into fine powder. So the powder is ready. So now you can just store this in an airtight container and it can be used whenever it is needed. So I'll just show you a sample video how to use this powder. So you can take 2 cups of water and allow this to boil for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes you can add 1 teaspoon of the ground powder. So it is like 2:1 ratio. For 2 cups of water you can add around 1 teaspoon of the powder and allow this to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep stirring and allow this to boil for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you can add around 1 cup of milk and a piece of jaggery. Mix it well and allow this to boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Once it is boiled you can turn off the stove and your immunity boosting drink is ready to be served. So guys, this is how you can prepare the immunity boosting powder and keep it handy. You can just transfer this powder into an airtight container and it can be stored at the normal temperature. So that's it for today guys. I have transferred my immunity boosting powder into an airtight container. So I can use whenever I need. So 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon you can be using for 2 cups of water. And you can drink like once a day or twice a day according to your comfort. Include immunity boosting drink at least once in a day in your daily routine so that the antibacterial or antimicrobial properties and antioxidants in the Indian spices will help you to fight the infection to some extent. So let us all stay safe, take necessary precautions, and let's fight this together. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.